You might think that once you reach a certain age, it's too late to get stronger, to fight off the aches and pains, or to live a life full of vitality. But here's the truth. It's never too late. Your age is not a barrier to strength, health, or feeling great. In fact, the older you get, the more important it is to stay active, to move, and to challenge your body in new ways. If you're over 65 and wondering if there's hope for you to stay pain-free, build muscle, and keep your independence, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 of the best exercises for seniors that will help you stay strong, flexible, and pain-free, no matter your age. So, if you're ready to feel stronger, more energized, and capable of doing the things you love, keep watching because this could change your life. As we age, there's a growing belief that walking alone is enough to maintain our health. After all, walking is a natural, everyday activity we've been doing for most of our lives. It seems like a simple way to stay active, right? But let me tell you something important. Walking isn't enough when it comes to staying strong and pain-free as we get older. Walking is a great start, but in order to stay truly healthy, maintain muscle mobility, and prevent pain, you need to incorporate other forms of exercise into your daily routine. Now, many people, especially seniors, might think I'm getting older. I'm just supposed to slow down, right? But that's not the whole truth. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness or limitations. I want to tell you something. Age is not an excuse to stop living. It's just a number. What really matters is how you choose to live, how you choose to take care of yourself, and how you move forward with the time you have. I understand how it feels when you look in the mirror and see the inevitable signs of aging, the wrinkles, the gray hair, the pain in your knees when you stand up. But it doesn't have to stay that way. The truth is you can reclaim your strength and vitality at any age. And no, it doesn't require intense workouts, painful regimens, or hours in the gym. It's about consistency, gradual improvements, and simple exercises that work for your body, not someone else's. You just need to get started, and you need to know where to begin. It's common for seniors, especially those over 65, to feel like they're too old to start new things. You might look at your body and feel like it's already too late to reverse the effects of aging. Maybe you've never exercised regularly, or maybe you've had a few injuries that have left you feeling like your best years are behind you. But the beauty of exercise, especially for older adults, is that it never really is too late. You can still build muscle, improve flexibility, and boost your overall strength. And the best part is you don't need to run a marathon or become a bodybuilder to feel those positive changes. The small, steady steps you take today can make all the difference tomorrow. As you age, the importance of maintaining muscle strength, joint mobility, and balance becomes crucial. When we don't actively work on keeping our bodies strong, those vital functions begin to deteriorate. That's when we start feeling the pain in our joints, the stiffness in our muscles, and the overall discomfort in doing everyday tasks. Simple things like getting up from a chair or picking something up from the ground become more challenging. But here's the thing, you don't have to accept that as your reality. One of the most vital things you can do to keep your body strong and pain-free as you age is to engage in exercises that specifically target the muscles you use every day, improve balance, and increase flexibility. Walking just doesn't cut it on its own. And if you want to feel the benefits of increased strength, less pain, and more mobility, you need to start working your muscles in different ways. The truth is, it's time to stop believing that walking is enough. It's time to take control of your health before it's too late. So let's talk about the 5 best exercises that seniors 65 and older can do to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free. These exercises are simple, effective, and adaptable to your current fitness level. But most importantly, they will help you maintain your independence as you get older. Because that's what matters most. Your ability to live your life to the fullest without limitations. Oh, The first exercise you need to incorporate into your routine is strength training. Now, before you say, I'm too old to lift weights, let me stop you right there. Strength training doesn't mean lifting heavy dumbbells or doing squats with barbells. For seniors, strength training can mean using light weights or resistance bands, or even using your own body weight to build strength. Strength training is vital because it helps maintain muscle mass, which naturally declines as we age. When we lose muscle, we lose strength, which makes everyday activities harder. But by regularly engaging in simple strength exercises like chair squats or resistance band exercises, you'll build the muscle that supports your joints, helping you feel more stable and less prone to injury. Next, let's talk about balance exercise. As we age, balance becomes a crucial aspect of staying safe and independent. It's easy to overlook, but the reality is, falls are one of the leading causes of injury in seniors, and the best way to prevent falls is to work on your balance. Standing on one leg, for example, is a simple but effective way to improve balance. Hold onto a sturdy chair or counter for support if needed, and start by standing on one leg for 10 seconds. Switch legs. You can gradually increase the time as your balance improves. Other balance exercises include heel-to-toe walking and leg lifts. These simple movements will not only strengthen your legs, but also increase your confidence in moving around your home or outside. Next up, we have flexibility exercises, which are incredibly important for maintaining your range of motion as you age. As we get older, our muscles and joints naturally become stiffer, making movements like bending over or twisting more difficult. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. Incorporating stretching and yoga into your routine can help keep your body flexible and agile. Start with basic stretches like shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and gentle hamstring stretches. You can also try simple yoga poses like the child's pose or cat-cow stretch, which are excellent for maintaining flexibility and relieving tension in your muscles. Another great exercise for seniors is walking with intervals, which helps keep your cardiovascular health in check while also boosting your stamina. While walking is an excellent low-impact exercise, adding intervals of brisk walking into your routine will keep your heart and lungs strong. For example, during your walk, try alternating between 30 seconds of brisk walking and 1 minute of regular pace walking. This not only challenges your body in a safe and manageable way, but it also improves circulation, stamina, and overall energy levels. Finally, let's not forget the importance of core exercises. Your core is the foundation of your entire body. A strong core supports good posture, helps with balance, and reduces strain on your back. The great thing about core exercises is that they can be done in a chair or while lying down. Seated leg lifts and abdominal bracing. Think of tightening your stomach muscles as if someone is about to punch you, are excellent for strengthening the muscles in your abdomen, hips, and lower back. I know this may sound like a lot to take in, but the beauty of these exercises is that they don't require hours in a gym or intense movements. Start small. Just a few minutes of strength training, stretching, and balance work every day can transform your body and your life. You don't have to do everything at once. Even 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Remember, it's about consistency, not perfection. The key to staying strong and pain-free as you age is to commit to small daily habits that work together to keep your muscles, joints, and bones healthy. These habits might not feel like much at first, but over time, they compound, and the benefits show up in ways you'll notice every day. Less pain, more energy, better sleep, and a deeper sense of well-being. By focusing on building muscle, maintaining flexibility, improving balance, and strengthening your core, you will protect yourself against falls, pain, and weakness. Age is not an excuse to slow down. It's an opportunity to redefine what strength means for you and to create a new chapter of your life that's filled with vitality, confidence, and the ability to enjoy everything that matters most. It's about living life on your terms, free from the limitations. that people often associate with aging. So start today. Take the first step, no matter how small it may seem. Your future self will thank you.